So good morning everyone. We are heading back from Spiti to our homes. This was the road which went in the landslide. The 3 parachutes there. Mountains on both the side as we are descending from the Himalayas. India has such amazing landscape. And we have completed the circuit, changing the direction. So good morning everyone. We are heading back from Spiti to our homes in Bengaluru and Pune. We are currently in Manali. We got this very cozy homestay. It was an entire floor for ourselves again and had a good rest overnight. We are starting from Manali to Delhi today. We'll be crossing Delhi and staying at Palwal. It's about 580 kilometers I think. The Google map is showing about 12 hours, but I think we should be able to make it little earlier than what Google map says always, except for when we are in Spiti. That's there because the roads from Chandratal to Rohtang was oh my god, I don't want to talk about that now. 8-lane highway, wow, wonderful. So we'll start. Now it's all about Melvin's bike. Melvin's bike is back in form. Don't worry, it'll start today. It'll start. 3000 RPM you keep. Enjoy boys. This was the road which went in the landslide. Oh, okay. Oh, that's why it's single lane instead of a huge 4th lane. Okay. People are paragliding in Manali. I don't know if it's visible on the camera, but this is a very nice sight. Very cool it looks. There are 3 parachutes there. Straight up. Peace. Barricades on the turn. We just took the diversion towards Chandigarh. So there is Chandigarh, Delhi, Mandi, Buntar. There's going to be a bit of traffic from here. Oh, relax. Wrong way. He's using phone. Yeah. Heaven. What a road, what a view. Mountains on both the side as we are descending from the Himalayas. Oh, nice. Picturesque, this is beautiful. Thank you. And finally, Melvin had a lot less, only 10 in his front wheel. Back was okay I guess, right? Oh, I can feel all the stones now. Keep right. Yeah. The whole group is like somebody turned off the lights in the tunnel but actually it was a sun visor. Wow. Oh, there's another tunnel coming. Enjoy boys, enjoy. This is the new tunnel. Wonderful. Man, what a view. India has such amazing landscape. Oh man, feels so good, so much progress, and it feels so good that your taxpayers' money, at least it's getting invested in places like this. Actually, that is the one side and this is the opposite side. There are 2 tunnels here. Parallelly there are 2 tunnels, but there is no crossover. like from one tunnel to the other. New extension is still not ready, but once it is, it's gonna be really good. Travel time is gonna reduce like crazy. But we need both, I guess. We are missing out on all this beauty when we are traveling just inside the tunnel, so that's a drawback. Or they should have both the lanes. Like people who want to take side road of this mountain and enjoy this view, we need this road. And for others who don't want to spend time traveling through the sides of this mountain, they can take the tunnel, you know. See, it's still getting ready over there. What a puppy, man. What are you doing? Two puppies. A Volvo stopped on the middle road. For the power a puppy has to stop a multi-axle Volvo bus. Oh, the color looks very nice. It likes that emerald color.
Yeah.
Almost like that emerald color. Oh, is that? Which dam is this? Which dam? Whoa, 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 Didi. Didi, come on. Dragging the cylinder and running. Whoa. Taking left. Prohibited area. Okay. Oh, left side the water is so high and right side is so deep. Wow. Ganesh is revving his heart out, revving his heart. One more tunnel coming up, tunnel number 6. We just saved 20 minutes because of these two tunnels. And finally it feels really good to cruise on highways. Shimla is 110 kilometers from here, tunnel number 5. So that means we have 4 more tunnels after this. Melvin, take this decision correctly. Do you want to do Spiti second time with snow now? Then you have to turn left. If you are you sure? Are you 100%? All right. Turning right, and we have completed the circuit. Changing the direction. From the last fuel up from Gaza with additional 3 liters, we have done 408 kilometers. Finally, we have got another HP. Bhaiya, full tank. Take a second. Time for breakfast. Oh man. It's been there since yesterday evening. We've reached Chandigarh and we need to pass through Ambala next. Lot of signals on this way. Need to use your filtering skills to pass through traffic like this. Melvin and Ganesh took another route into the city by mistake, so they are maybe 10 to 15 minutes behind me. I'm just waiting here for them. 292 kilometers, almost Ambala. Then we have Kurukshetra, Karnal, and then Delhi. My dear boys have reached. We took some break. Nobody wants to slow down because everybody is wearing thermals. Next stop is hotel. This is the same route, boys. We have done this once. We can do this again. Guys, keep left. Delhi is left. Flyover.
And so we are taking a small break at Dharam Dhaba. It's very hot. We've decided to remove our thermal layers because otherwise we won't be able to survive the Delhi traffic. Only about 160 kilometers left from here to the stay in Palwal. It's definitely going to take 3 hours because we need to cross the Delhi traffic, and I think we're going to enter Delhi at around 5 p.m. So I'll keep you guys posted with what's coming on the road.
Time to leave after the break. Rehydrated. Right. Come. We are entering Delhi. Finally, we have made it to Palladium Hotels outside Delhi on the Agra highway. It was hell of a ride as we thought it will be because the traffic was just crazy. Just need to remove everything from the bike and get it up. Place is pretty good, so there should not be any other problems. That's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, because this was just plain highway sprint to a stay. See you all on next video.